Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English Learning video. Today we will learn some typical expressions used at the office of a company. Requesting assistance.
Could you help me with this report?
I'm having trouble with task. Can you give me a hand? Document handling, filing, and organizing. Please file these documents under category. Ensure that all files are labeled correctly. Preparing documents. I need these documents copied and collated. Can you draft a letter to recipient regarding subject? Visitor management.
Welcome to company name. How may I assist you?
Do you have an appointment with someone?
Directing visitors. Please take a seat. Name will be with you shortly. The meeting room is down the hall to your left. Handling complaints.
I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing this issue. Let me see how we can resolve this for you.
Escalating issues.
I'll escalate this matter to my supervisor. Let me connect you with someone who can assist further.
The photocopier is located in the copy room. If the printer is out of paper, please refill it from the supply cabinet. Narrator, using office equipment. We need to reorder more paper and pens. The stationery cupboard is running low on envelopes. Narrator, office supplies.
Hello, I'd like to speak to Mr. Smith. Narrator, examples in context.
Certainly, may I ask who's calling?
This is Jane Doe from ABC Corp.
I have an appointment with Mr. Brown at 10 a.m. Narrator, email, subject, meeting confirmation. Dear Miss Johnson, I'm writing to confirm our meeting on Tuesday, June 15th at 2 p.m. Please let me know if you need any further information. Best regards, your name visitor interaction, S1. One moment please, I'll connect you to Mr. Smith.
Welcome. Mr. Brown is expecting you. Please have a seat, and I'll let him know you have arrived.
Mastering these phrases and scenarios will enhance your ability to perform your role efficiently and professionally, ensuring smooth operations within the office. Please like, comment, and subscribe, or Kevin will make a video of stupid pet tricks.